Kilimani, Kileleshwa, Lavington na Parklands cikoretwo citamburekanite ta matura ma aikari a kirathi. Nyumba nyingi arimi cietare na ngorofa makiria ya 4 ni watho wa kuramata waki. No riu uthio wa matura maya uthiite na mbere na gucenjia ni uraihu wa manyumba imwe cigikinya ngorofa 20, undu uria wahota gucenjia makiria thutha wa rianirira ria gavana wa Nairobi Johnson Sakaja.
Turi arakaru muno tondu riri gavana ri araugire ati Nairobi no ikorwo ina nyumba cina ngorofa makiria kuma 25 kinya 75.
Rianirira riri ronekana kuraraka aikari amwe no aria monanite kuiganira kwao.
Mathina maria twina mo Nairobi umuthi ri ni moine mariku na ni muthondekete uria mugututaithia nigetha tuone mai tutirona mai Nairobi manyihu muno ni kuri andu maraikara ona meri 3 matanyuite mai nyumba-ini ciao.
Make it clear to the governor that he should lead efforts for proper planning and not add into the confusion. Think about social amenities, hospitals, think about schools. You do not want to put up buildings where people are going to be living there, they cannot have access to light, and therefore our kids get stunted growth.
Ona gutwika MOIGITE matire na uregani wa waki wa nyumba cia ngorofa, aikari aya MOIGITE tabarira cia uthii wa na mbere no nginyagia cigatwarana na tabarira ingi cia kuhuthia muturire.
Main message today to the governor is please think about urban planning before you talk about development of 25-story buildings in Kileleshwa and other places where ordered development is very necessary.
Twina andu aingi muno ukumetaga informal settlement. Matire cioro, matire mai. Muraga kumathondekera cioro na mahe mai niki. Ati ni mwenda kamba waka nyumba cia ngorofa 25.
Mateta ma aikari ni manyititwo mbaru ni president wa kiama kia engineers ITEMI.
Not the right way of doing things to imagine that you are going to have underground water as a solution. This is because previously we would do boreholes and hit water about 250 meters. Now you have to go up to 400. The previous boreholes that were having water, they no longer have water because they are drying.
Kiteme oigite rianirira ria gavana ritina kuruhania athomi na anyiti itemi othe sector-ini ya waki na gwibatarite yanirio.
Us as engineers is that you do not just need to develop a building. You need to have the supporting infrastructure. You need to think about water supply. We know this city, people are going weeks without water in their taps. You need to think about sanitation. We know in this city, sewer is bursting every here and then. We know there are places whereby they don't have public sewer. You need to think about roads. We know there are places that it is inaccessible, even in case of an emergency, to bring in emergency vehicles.
Matura maria matahutitio ni rianirira ria gavana ni Muthaiga na Runda.
Ni kuri magoti. Na no tuthie kuo, na tuthitange thirikari ya Nairobi.
If a building has involved an architect, a structural engineer, a geotechnical engineer, or the professionals have been involved, I have no problem even if it is 50 stories building.
Kameme TV gekuhe uhoro gitau jeta wa Wanjiku.